I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your devices and network so mirroring works smoothly. Place your Croma TV and phone on the same Wi-Fi network, 4 GHz or 5 GHz. Confirm signal strength is strong on both devices to avoid lag. Turn on the TV and select the correct HDMI input or built-in screen share app. Power up your smartphone and enable Bluetooth briefly to help discovery. Open phone settings and enable screen casting permissions before proceeding to connection steps. Now follow connection methods appropriate for your phone and the TV. Use Miracast on Android phones by choosing Screencast in Quick Settings and selecting the Croma TV. Use AirPlay on iPhone by opening Control Center and tapping Screen Mirroring, then picking the Croma TV. Use Chromecast from supported apps by tapping Cast and choosing your TV name to mirror specific apps. Some TVs present a PIN. Enter that PIN on your phone to confirm and start mirroring immediately. If mirroring fails, try basic troubleshooting steps to restore connectivity quickly. Restart router, TV, and phone if connections fail after 30 seconds of trying. Move devices within 10 meters of the router for better Wi-Fi reception and lower lag during video or game streaming. Disable VPNs and background downloads on your phone to prevent bandwidth issues. Update TV firmware and phone OS to the latest versions for compatibility before trying again. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.